What's up guys, Robotnik Edits here. So if you're wondering how to do a perfect cherry voice, this is a 63 views special. All done. Let me check on my tablet how many views my Cherry's Misadventure episode 1 got. It got 66 views. Wow. No, wait. I forgot. It's a 66 views special. So, for you who watched Cherry's Misadventures episode 1, I'm gonna teach you how to do a perfect Cherry voice. Now, if you know, I recorded this video with my normal voice on Bandicam. Alice, how you doing? And then what you want to do is to click on the Master FX. Alright, simple enough. And then you click on Pitch Shift, and then you click OK. Third, you must always choose AO7 Speech 1. And then you got to have a 9 octave of the number 6, because it sounds genuinely like an anime girl if you pitch shift it into the number 6. See?
Let me out of here!
Yeah, it sounds like an anime girl. But if you
What are you doing?
But if you go to AO1, it sounds all echoey. And we don't want that, do we? Now, we must go to Speech 1, and even if you don't want to apply an anti-alias filter during pitch shift, it's okay, because the voice is made possible with Sony Vegas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to comment down below of what other videos should I make next. Should I make another Cherry's Adventure episode? I don't know. If you have any ideas of a new episode of Cherry's Misadventures, comment down below. Alright? See ya!